Welcome to our channel Asma Tech and Review. Step-by-step guide to creating the AdSense account. First, you go to the sign up page for Google AdSense. You will see an option to create an Google account, or you choose the using existing Google accounts. You may see that templates like here. First step is in your account, then your websites, then your information. Creating and signing. Note that if you are custom domain name and you are using the Google Apps for your domain email address, I suggest you to use the sign up for the Google AdSense account. When you use this domain specific email like admin or your name @domain.com, the chances of getting your AdSense application approved increases. So when you reach your account is to be verified, then the next step is your website's account. This form is straightforward, and you simply to enter your website address and select to the language for the website URL for your blog address. In my website and content language is selected as an English, and my website's account you may post it on that URL. HTTP whatever your URL. Then the next step is then submit your application, AdSense applications, contact information. The format is given as like that. Select your country, time zones. Please note that your account type and choose select text requirement and the form of payment available for you. So if you are individual and a business, you may select any of them. And then pay name, state address, city, state and postal code. All these requirements you must be fill it out. This is a most important point. I remember making a couple of a mistake at this part when I first sign up. Hopefully if you follow this guide, you will not make any same mistake. The pay name is very important. Use same name under which you have bank account, and AdSense will send you the check or wire transfer under that name. If you make a mistake here, changing the pay name of your account will be difficult in many countries including India. Here is the list of countries that are not allowed to change the pay name of the signing up. So ensure your bank account name and the pay name is exactly the same. Next, add you to the contact information and fill out the other detail. Except all these places, click check bar on that all three of the icons. Read the AdSense policies and put the check mark on the three boxes. Once done, click on the submit, and on the next page you can review on the details. Make sure that all the details are accurate and up to date. Once everything is set up, in order to get paid from AdSense, you need to complete your further steps. Verify your identity, submit your tax information, enter your PIN. The format is look like that: identification of verification. Confirmation email after successful identification. After you have completed the personal verifications, and once you log in your AdSense account, you would be see the following message inside AdSense dashboard. Important: check if additional tax information is required from you. All the YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payment are accurate. Click on the fix now to start the filling the tax info. And depending upon your country you are in, you should consult your tax advisor to get the right back now. The format is look like that. You may select all about the tax editing. Be sure to read this information from YouTube about the US taxes information requirement, and this FAQ with lots of detail. Read this. YouTube is required to withhold taxes or earning generated by US reviewers. These withhold taxes are sent to the United States Internal Revenue Service. As may info says, if you do not fill out the US taxes forms in your AdSense account, 24% of all of your earning will be withheld. If you fill out the US tax forms, the maximum withholding rate is 30% of your earning from the US viewers only. So it should be worthwhile to fill out the US tax forms in your AdSense account. Filling out the US tax information should be relatively straightforward. If you do not have tax straightly information to submit, you will need to enter a taxpayer identification number (TIN) that varies the country to country. But here are the some example of TRNs in different countries: India permanent account PAN, Indonesia Nomor POK Hijab, NPWP, Japan individual numbers, nickname, my number, Russia taxpayer personal identification number is INN, United Kingdom unique taxpayer reference UTR. Notice that in many countries it is an ID number, not necessarily a tax account number. If you do not know what number to enter, you will have to contact your local tax authorities. Please note that don't issue the link to the add tax information that my info provided. This opts Google Play taxes from the submissions page that may work for some publishers, but my already submitted tax from the all not shown in that there. My AdSense payment profile is separate from my main Google payment profile, so that will not work all the publishers. Sign into the Google Instead click the payment on the left menu bar. On the payment info page, click manage setting. On the setting page, you will find there options to add or edit United States tax info. That should work for the AdSense account. Your AdSense pin, you will receive an AdSense pin by mail. Once you reach the threshold of $10, you will need to add the pin to the AdSense account. You will see look like that. Verify your identity. Your pin, 6-digit verification pin, you may be submit it out and then add some pin number is declared one. You will receive the payments when your AdSense account reach to the $100 threshold. Thank you for watching Asma Tech and Tricks.